The majority of individuals tend to overlook the modem aspect when contemplating purchasing a new phone, and understandably so. However, this has become an unfortunate matter that many Pixel users are now having to confront. Connectivity problems have emerged as one of the major concerns with the Pixel series in recent times. Fortunately, with each new generation, the situation has gradually improved, and the forthcoming Pixel 9 series promises to be even better. Thanks to a reliable source within Google, we have gained insight into some of the modem enhancements that will be introduced in the Pixel 9 series, encompassing significant upgrades such as satellite connectivity. Ever since the major Tensor reboot, Google has made a significant shift from Qualcomm's reliable modems paired with Snapdragon processors to Samsung modems that are compatible with the Exynos base that Tensor relies on. The Pixel 7 series was the first to receive an upgraded modem, while the Pixel 8 series stuck with the same modem, albeit a slightly newer version. Despite the modem being decent, it still struggles in areas with poor connectivity and is not very power efficient. Now, Google is gearing up to equip the Pixel 9 and other devices with an updated modem. Reports from Android Authority suggest that the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL will come with a new modem, part of the Tensor G4, provided by Samsung, the new generation being the 5400, up from the 5300 in the Tensor G3. This same modem is expected to be used in the upcoming Pixel Fold 2 and a new 5G connected Pixel tablet. In February, 9to5 Google reported on possible codenames for the Pixel Tablet 2, including Clementine, confirming it as a sequel to the Pixel Tablet. The current Pixel Tablet lacks cellular connectivity, but the new modem is said to have software upgrades, with unclear hardware changes. The main upgrade is the support for the 5G spec, which includes satellite connectivity. While the existing modem in Pixel devices technically supports satellite, it has not been utilized yet and uses an older version of the 5G spec. With the addition of satellite support, Pixels will have a satellite gateway app for emergency SOS, allowing users to answer basic questions in emergency situations, notify contacts, and send messages to emergency services. Google has been working on satellite SOS on Pixel devices as of late, but no functionality is live today. How this new modem sticks the landing will be interesting, but there's a pretty low bar for success here. Google is expected to shift to a TSMC-produced Tensor chip in 2025, but it's unclear if the company will change modems at that point. Tensor G4 is, beyond this modem, expected to be a relatively minor change. So, what are your thoughts on these new enhancements over last Gen Pixel 8 lineup? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.